We can do it with this one. We can send the signal and open the trunk right away. Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we will be testing and reviewing Launch's professional OBD scanner. So if you are in the market to buy a professional scanner, stick around because this one has some great features in it and I will show you how to use all these features. So it comes in a heavy duty case like this. Even if you drop it, nothing gonna happen to the scanner because it will give it a good protection. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. So one of the things I like about this case, the accessories on this side and the scanner itself from this side. So when you open the case, nothing gonna drop and everything is protected. The scanner is protected with these two velcros and the accessories all here. Alright, so in this bag we have the manual, we have the packing list, so you can check what we have here. This is the activation code, you have the serial number here, and you open it. Here you have the serial number and the activation code. So after making an account and adding your email, you're gonna have to put the activation code and then the scanner will be activated. Here we have this unit that will be connected to the car. So this unit will be communicating with the scanner itself and it will be connected with wireless. Here is the cable. So this cable will be connected here, and this is a standard 16-pin OBD scanner too. So if your car not using OBD scanner 16-pin, you can unscrew these and unplug this one, and you can change this one depending on your car. And for the older models, it doesn't give power, so you can give it power externally from this port. Second cable, USB to Type-C, and this is a Type-C charger for charging the scanner. And we have so many adapters for the charger depending on where you're living. So you're gonna put it like this and it clicks in like this. And for opening, you can release it from this latch, twist it, comes out. These are all the cables that comes with the package. Let's take the scanner itself. Alright, so here's the scanner itself. We can see we have two ports here. This one is a USB Type-C for charging, and this is a normal USB. Here's the power button, and if you turn it over, we can see we have a camera, and this camera will be very useful for taking picture or connecting to a wireless, and I will show you how to do that. Alright, let's turn it on. So I turned it on before and put my email and made an account. So you're gonna have to do all these, and also after making an account, it will ask you for activation code, so you're gonna have to add this as well, and then you can use the OBD scanner itself. So the first thing we have to do, we're gonna have to connect it with the wireless. So the good thing is I'm not gonna type in the password, I'm gonna connect it with the camera. So we're gonna use the QR code that I already have in my phone. Alright, so login is successful. We're gonna go back and now it's connected. Alright, so for connecting with the car, we need to plug this one in this unit and screw it tight. Now we're gonna connect this OBD port to the car and it will be connected with the device. So let's do that. The important thing you have to see with this unit is the lights that we have power in this unit and also communicating with the OBD scanner. Alright, everything is plugged. Now we're gonna turn the ignition on. Alright, here is the camera. Let's test out. The camera quality is about 8 megapixel. It's not that bad for reading codes and if you want to search something on Google. So before doing anything, there is a function which you can record the screen. So I'm gonna do that so you can see the screen clearly. So let's turn it on. Now you will be able to see it here. So you can use it just like a tablet as well. We can go to Google, we can watch YouTube videos. Here is the Launch website. So the important thing for us is this program, which we can diagnose and find any error code with this car. So after plugging in the wire, we're gonna do this intelligent diagnostic. So with this one, it will do everything for you. It will find the VIN number, car model, and the year, and everything. So we're just gonna give it some time, and it will pull all the information into the device. So here we have the car model, the brand, and VIN number. So after making sure everything is correct, we're gonna go diagnosed. Here we're gonna press 16-pin Camry. So my car doesn't have a smart key, so we're gonna press without smart key. Radar cruise, no, we don't have that, so we're gonna press other. So here we have all the information about this car and everything is correct. We're gonna press OK. So while it's doing its scanning, I would like to let you know why we need a professional scanner like this. With a professional scanner, we can send the information directly to the modules or directly to the unit we want. Let's say I'm pressing this button to roll the window down. So when we're pressing the window button, it's not directly giving power to the window motor. It's actually sending a signal to the module, and when the module checking everything and everything is correct, then the module sending signal so it can send the power to the motor. And the second thing you can do with a professional OBD scanner, not only we can send a signal to the module, but we can also send a power to the motor. Alright, let's go to health report. So you can do all these things with all the sensors and all the modules with the car. You can do that with the wipers, with the light. So you will know that you have a problem with the motor or you have a problem with the module itself. That's the good thing when you have a professional scanner like this. You're not gonna disassemble anything after making sure that you can send signal or you can send power. There are so many possibilities that you can do with a professional scanner. Alright, here we have 2 error codes with the engine. Let's say, I don't know what is P164 stabilizing function is about. So we can press this button and it will search for you on Google. So the Google search doing a good job. We can see this malfunction is about the battery. In the previous video, I had a problem with the battery because I left the car for a while and the battery was dead. So I turned it on a few times and that's why we have this code, and I jump started with this jump starter. You can watch this video here. Alright, let's go back. I have one in current and one in history. We can delete them. Not gonna be a problem. Here are all the modules we have and everything reads normal. So let's go to body control modules. So here's the actuation test. So with the actuation test, you can turn on and off any light or motor on this car. Here we have all the things that related to the body. Let's go to door lock. So from here we can monitor the door lock. So if I lock the doors, we can see it here. Here we can see it can send the signal as well, and we can lock the door because the door is already open. That's why it's unlocking it right away. So let's go back. Here is the trunk door. So if you have a problem with the trunk door and you can't open it with the key fob, we can do it with this one. We can send the signal and open the trunk right away. Of course, we can't turn it off because with the trunk latch, it's only opening. So if you are working alone like me and you want to control something and turn it off without coming back in the car, you can do it with this one. Let's say you are changing the head bulbs and you just want to test out to see if it's turning on or not after replacing a new one. So with this function, you can do it. Now we're going to turn it on, and here is the highlight beam, and we can turn it off again. So there are so many possibilities you can do with this one, apart from diagnostic and reading error codes. So this device has 2 years of update, and after this 2 years, you can still use that, but you're not going to be able to update it for free. And if you want to update it, you can go to Mall. So here we have all the updates. If you want to do a full renew, it's $52.49 per month, and I like how they customize it. So if you want to do a renew for 20 softwares, it's $42.49, 15 software, $36.66, 10 softwares, $31, and it goes on like this. I like how they put this feature on it. So maybe sometimes you need 5 softwares, so you're gonna pay $26 per month, and you don't need to pay $52 per month. So that's after 2 years of free update. Alright, let's go to local diagnostic. So here we can scan the VIN code from here, and you can select the car. So with the intelligent diagnostic, it will do everything for you, and you don't need to put everything manually. And here's the special functions. Here we can do resetting ABS. So if you don't know something about this device and you have a code, you don't know how to solve that, in Launch Academy you can find it and it will show you all the steps. Here we have the videos, how to use it, and the videos a lot actually, which is really good. So in the toolbox we have a special function which is key programmer. If you have a key and you want to add the second key, this is where you do it. I will make sure to put a video like this because you guys been asking me how to copy another key for your car. And even if you have a key and you lost it, but you already have a second one, so you're gonna delete the other one so nobody has access to your car, which you can do with this program. Alright, if you look at it, this is hard plastic, and that black all the way around it, it's all rubber, and it will protect the device itself. And I like how they have these dust covers for these ports, and it will be protected like this. I wish it also has a protection like a rubber on the camera as well, so it will be protected, because even though it's deep, but it will be scratched because you always put it like this and sometimes you forget a tool and it will scratch the camera. But if it had a rubberized cover on the camera lens, it would be better, just like these ports. So what do we think about Launch's professional OBD scanner? Well, I think it's a perfect device if you have a garage or you are working on your car. It's my first time to see OBD scanner like this with a camera. The link will be in the video description box below with the discount code AliMECH to get 25 euros off. Feel free to let me know what kind of diagnostic I should do with this device for the next video. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.